to transfer file to SD card to Samsung Galaxy A56 or phone to SD card. So in this case you need to use this kind of a card reader, or if you have this kind of card reader also okay. Now insert your SD card with your card reader and add it to your phone. Once done, then go to your Samsung and go your my file, then you can see your SD card is available here. Suppose you want to transfer file SD card to phone, go to SD card, select any file, or my file, this one. Now simply press and hold, then press on copy. Now make sure you are using internal storage. Now where you want to copy, suppose you want to copy this here, then copy, then it will be copying easily. And suppose you want to transfer file phone to SD card, then same thing, go back to your internal storage. Now select your file, suppose this one, press on copy and USB drive, then copy here, then it will be copy here. So if you want to send bulk, then you can select like that. Thank you, have a good day.